Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees F and bringing a large pot of water to a rolling boil. Use 1 pound ziti and boil in salted water for 9 minutes until al dente. Drain and toss with a tablespoon of olive oil so the pasta does not stick. Meanwhile, heat 1/4 cup olive oil with 3 cloves garlic, then add a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Simmer sauce 20 minutes with salt, pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Finish with a tablespoon of fresh basil. Make the 5-cheese mixture in a large bowl so every bite stays creamy and cheesy. Combine 2 cups ricotta, 1 cup shredded mozzarella, and 1 beaten egg and stir until smooth. Fold in 1/2 cup grated parmesan and 1/2 cup shredded fontina to make 5-cheese mix. Add salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. In a 9 by 13-inch baking dish, spread a thin layer of sauce, then layer half the ziti. Spread all the cheese mixture evenly over the pasta, then add the remaining ziti and top with the remaining sauce. Cover the assembled ziti with foil and sprinkle the top with 1/2 cup shredded pecorino romano and 1 cup extra mozzarella so the surface browns beautifully. Bake covered at 375 degrees F for 25 minutes. Then remove the foil and bake uncovered 10 minutes until the cheese is bubbly and golden brown at the edges. If you like a crust, broil for 2 minutes while watching closely. Let rest 10 minutes to set the cheese, then cut into portions and serve with fresh basil and additional grated parmesan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.